morning, guys. So it is the day of Finn's party. We have Maddie here helping out everybody. Say hi, Maddie.
Hi.
Ellie's there. She's doing good. Everybody's doing big help. Finn's just being entertained. Finn, stop scratching. It's a fuss for scratch a lot. I'm gonna go finish doing the ice chest. We got a lot to do. I'm gonna show y'all a little quick rundown of what we got so far done. And I need to go put all these delicious Capri Suns in the ice chest for the kids. So far, we got some of the decorations up. All this stuff. In case you can't tell, his party is themed to balls. So the theme of the party is have a ball at Finn's party. Isn't that great? That's so good. Anyways, I have to go work and make my dip now. I was supposed to make it last night, but last night it was really tired. Jill's working on the cake. The cake's gonna turn out amazing. It tastes so good, and Jill did an amazing job as always. So mad props to her. She does so good. Fair warning, Finn will probably freak out about us singing to him.
Yeah, he doesn't like being sung to.
So, but we're gonna do it anyway, just to torture him. You ready?
Okay.
All right.
Ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Finny. Happy birthday to you.
Blow.
Blow out your candles.
Blow 'em?
Good job.
Alright, get that one. No, come on. Not like that. Blow it.
Good job, buddy. Yay! Oh my.
Is that good?
Is it good? We're not gonna give anybody that piece. It's okay. Alright guys, so something I've been waiting on for a while has come in. This is something I've been waiting on. It's coming for a long time. It's this giant box. So, we're opening what's in this giant box. Are you curious what's in this box? Mm-hmm. Do you know what's in it?
No. Can I help you?
Yeah. Take this tape off.
Bubble!
Bubble wrap. Now be careful with whatever you pull out, okay? So,
What is that?
something.
Another package.
We need this.
And another package.
And I'll get that, okay?
Yeah. And what is this?
That's just probably the shipping information. So, let me pull this other box out, because as you can see, there's just another box there. So let's pull that out. In here, we have something I've been waiting for a long time. For a long time. What, baby?
I bet it's something. I bet it's the 3D printer.
You think it's a 3D printer?
Yeah. And then
Let's
can we try
see.
printing out something first?
It's the 3D printer. Wait, oh, no. It's my 3D printer.
Can you show me how it works?
Well, we're not going to be able to play with it probably tonight. But I have a cool idea that I'm wanting to do. And I think we're going to run a contest and maybe do a drawing on our page. What do you think, Ellie?
Smart.
So we can do a drawing. So what we'll do is we'll have a drawing and we'll do something where the winner, this thing's like all scratched up. Look at that. That's crazy. Oh look, it's just a plastic.
I'm tall.
So, but I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a contest and do a drawing.
When?
So, I don't know when. Once a day probably figures out how to do this. So we'll do that, and then we'll have the drawing. We'll get with the winner and let them maybe pick something to be 3D printed for them, and then we'll ship it to y'all. We'll see about getting that together.
But first, you have to mark one of our videos to like them, and then we'll see if you win or not.
We'll figure out details later on. I'm just excited about this, so it's gonna take me a little bit to learn it, to how to do it. So we're not gonna do the contest right away because I want to be able to figure out what I'm doing first before we start giving stuff to people and being like, here you go. Here's this random bad piece of junk that I put together.
How about a fidget spinner?
I can make fidget spinners. I'll be able to make all kinds of really cool stuff. So
Or, if you want, we can make you a Growing Daily t-shirt.
we can't make t-shirts with this. Good morning, guys. So it's pretty early in the morning right now, and it's Finn's actual birthday. So we're gonna surprise him with this confetti shooter gun. So we're gonna go in there and surprise him and tell him happy birthday. Good morning.
Happy birthday! Yay! You don't like anything. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, buddy!
Happy birthday!
Ooh.
Let's do that again. They're all over his bed as he's saying that.
Uh-oh.
You wanna do it? You wanna do it again?
Hey!
Can we do it again? No? Okay. One of the things that Finn got yesterday was a Magic Tracks. So he hasn't tried it yet. I just put it together, just found batteries for it. So we're gonna let him try that, okay? Let's show him. Alright, in the words of Dr. Frankenstein, it's alive!
What's it making?
I don't know yet. It's making something. This is actually a demo file that
I
came.
thought you made like a balloon that's a Frankenstein,
Oh,
and I was like, ah!
nope.
But it was just a 3D printer.
Yeah. But this is a file that comes default on the thing. So I don't even know what it is. So I'm kind of excited to see what it's gonna make. So maybe we can try to
either
guess.
a surprise. It's starting to look
Hey,
like
buddy.
hard.
So maybe we can try guessing what it is as it makes it. So we're gonna let that work. And Finny's here. He's stuck. I'm gonna get him. All right, guys. So we just got back from the movie. We went and saw.
Ninjago movie.
Yeah, the Lego Ninjago movie. And my 3D printer project is done. And I'm going to show y'all what it printed. It's fair warning. I think we need to give him a warning, huh, Ellie? That there's a cute alert coming. Major cuteness, huh?
From Chinese.
Look at this.
Presenting a wavy kitty cat.
It's one of the little waving kitty cats you see.
What are you doing, Candy?
How
Well, I
cool,
didn't do that
how
before.
cute is that? Isn't that so cute? He's so adorable. The cool thing is we can paint it, so like we can paint the little metal he's holding and stuff like that, and make it look even better.
Can we play it today?
I don't think so, not today. But Dad's gonna put something else to print. So I'm gonna figure out something else to print. I'm gonna do some more test prints, and then like I said, we may wind up doing a contest on our channel where everybody can enter, and whatever they win, whoever wins, we can figure out something to custom print for them.
Think who wins.
No, well, we're gonna use the system to pick who wins, and whoever wins will get to pick something to custom made for themselves. How's that sound?
Y'all get something whatever y'all want. You just tell us, and then we'll make it in our 3D printer. As you didn't see, we got a 3D printer in, and it looks really cool. As you just saw, we just made a waving kitty cat.
Yeah, so anyways, so that's that. I'm gonna go check on Jill and Finn. They stayed here and took some naps, and we're gonna see what else they got. So we are about to celebrate Finn's actual birthday. How old are you, Finn?
Say 2. Good job. You're so cute.
Let's keep us make a wish.
Maybe Mama needs to go.
Good job!
Go closer.
Good job, yay! Is it good?
You did it again!
Oh, that was hysterical. Oh my God.
Is it good?
Oh my gosh, that was funny.
He did that yesterday too.
Oh, he
He
did?
did?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh,
You
I
didn't see him?
No.
Yeah. Oh.
You are silly, boy.
You may remember from last year when he had his own little cake to do that too.
We're going to go ahead and end the vlog because the party's done. It's surprisingly early, but yet we're still really tired. Maybe tomorrow we can do a recap, like show off some of the presents Finn got, because it really didn't. We really didn't get to show some of the stuff. And he got some really cool stuff. Like I didn't even realize how cool some of the stuff was, because when you're opening presents for kids, they pull it out and they either A, concentrate on too much and just want to play just that present, or B, go and just go through them really fast. So like usually you're trying to find out who it's from, all that stuff, keep track of presents, keep track of who opened presents, keep track of who's still here, keep track of people leaving, things like that. So you usually don't have time to really look at the presents that they get. You see it's like, oh, it's blah blah blah, and that's it. But like, just to give you an example, he got a really cool toy which I was like mind blown about. It's a little truck that has a metal detector on it, and like it really works. It like picks up metal, and then when it has this little shovel you pick up the stuff with and dig and drop it in front of the metal detector, and it finds metal for you. So it's really cool, but like I didn't even realize that's what it was till after we had already opened everything and everybody already left. I was just kind of looking over there and I was like, that's super cool. So we'll show you some of that stuff. So but anyways, we're gonna go ahead and end today's vlog. If y'all like to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, leave those comments down below. We love talking to you guys, and we will see y'all tomorrow. Bye.